confidence. Hi, my name is Christina Garidi from Eudaimonia Coaching, and today's topic is about a single distinction that can really help you tackle imposter syndrome. So, what is fascinating as a coach is that I discovered that most of us, at first at least, before coaching, we always confuse confidence with competence. We think that confidence is knowing what to do and knowing all the answers and feeling certainty, safety, ease, and being and cruising in our comfort zone. But how funny! Everyone wants to be a leader, a senior manager, but nobody is willing to actually fail. We want the difficult things. We want the challenging new role, the good, difficult projects where we can prove ourselves, but we are not willing to risk anything, but we want to succeed. We want to have a successful outcome, but not go through the process, I meant to say, in order to learn and get to the successful outcome. My trader client, he's an entrepreneur, he told me at one point, he said, Christina, probabilities work out this way. They always normalize themselves to 50-50. You lose, you win. It's nature. It's necessary. It makes us all equal. Since when did we think that being successful means we have a 100% success rate? Or that confidence means that we never ever fail? Where did corporations and education steer us wrong with understanding that it can be us that can lose this time? We have never learned how to lose with grace and compassion. And this is something we need to really start learning. So one of our flourishers, coming to the point, he said it best in one of our sessions. We were working together and he basically made a clear distinction that his ego has nothing to do with his worth. Failing hurts his ego, he said, but not his self-worth. Because his definition of success comes from his purpose, which is giving, teaching, connecting. This is his soul work, not showing off his success rate, which comes from the ego. So he made a very clear distinction that confidence comes from how he perceives his own value, not how other people measure his success. Is that empowering or what? If you want to know more about how purpose can fuel and clarify where your confidence comes from so that you can find it every time, even if you are failing at whatever you're doing at that point in time, so that you can carry on to source that energy and that power from your purpose, then do let me know. I always do a free discovery session as a coach to help you get clear on what you want to achieve. I hope that was helpful and see you very soon.